Woman konya accident mpemfo konya accident ya omu ya ya adwunum no ne nim se kwa akoye galamsey ho adwuma no mahyehyɛ niema yi nanka yetimi ahwɛ atoto niema amna koye ne BBC kusiye areho dinka womu no ka womu furu musa nka ye wo bibi bebo mabaso a esenka itimi na anu ya kuhia yi yitimi kyerese ye buhu akonta se penfo mu firi mu no eye ya mu de mokra mu de moja akoto akoji oman no mo de kwaji oman no na mo wi akire no niema yetimi ayini enke bai nsuo no nyinaa na ani ase no aye kama anke yi fun photos ne de kire ni o zampa unwu yi se anyu bone ye no danchen a ya hwe ye nsase no a ye nsuso se no ye no nyinaa nsuso no o matimi aye ehun bibi enna ye forest no so ye hunu se forest hayi nyinaa na bibira se ya gini nyinaa ma se kura no ya sha ase ye duedue no bi ye no Ghana for ebeti ase enya no nko a omu ye mane nankasa nkwala no a omu no yetimi achi bi atwuma so ama omu di anima me akohunu mpanfo no a omu di akire ndi ama achichi omu so ka we nyinaa ye yi a ede ba na yesenka ayifo program no ga ya umbema list no umbema report no de chichi ngrofo nye yugo nye yugo ba ko kan ho
9 months na hwan
ora we go have ma ora report
I mean so, no don't get expect
enka Ghana for akon abeto mbempa yayi
communities way in fact oboase na akra na mo ko launch ade no oboase okra no responsible cooperative mind so commission oboase na akra mo ko ya ade no
enuti ayade are very dangerous na sare kan no ade ebetimi dia testing leadership o my way mu eye your environment and niema kan as far as legal man is concerned yentim fanship politician ba kon say we but leadership because everything rise and falls with leadership. It is a we say edime nkosu ya said ye blame Akufo-Addo no na Akufo-Addo e blame President John Mahama me nyin ko ba bia say na ministry anaze bia I want to put the thing on his doorsteps the end way afa because I share sa niema ekosu ya yentimi nya hu fi ya eye very enya dia edin a yentimi nyo ye na about the great transformational plan mo ye we policy I dey by friend ban, restore and support si anima use sa policy no yes ye be fa kwa bia so dia ya kwa ya fa so nyina ya fail total ban of all these artisanal mining you can see a ban. I tell you say obi abesuro say okwa ko gina ba bi so ye nwuma because ya ban ye no say na say wo twam ko no hu say ensuo na say ya wo na fa fon aka say most ma ban ya dey but ensuo efiri he ba enye ko say who knows say ba bi anipa no ye nwuma no ya ma kwa so nya artisanal community mining and responsible mining and nobody knows. Namosia omu wo hoyi se gomu na gomu hwe banning issues usual ya decentralize omu nya se omu free nkran omu kwata kra dia omu free takra dia no besna ko asantuma never say boase na omu free boase omu bedru boase na mambo takra de for so ye sa na ekoso
so omu base omu ayi omu
I shifting cultivation
omu can simple yes omu base oma ya mom
base no
as in camps oma ye
na eda na baby enwo hwe si abana se aban complete banner ye galamsey no baby a eye sa head of galam namos leader no he will be held responsible. So I don't get you better go pay. Could be serious. But we uncle be happy.
Yeah, you back. Also, my reshuffle you.
Sack the person. Why are they sack the person and put him to and not put him to a proof. Put him to.
So far there.
What is
almost 30 years no. Keneboa is now off. I'm replacing no.
They don't know replacing.
Maybe an adjuma no mu hu there.
And the fan court. They don't replacing no. Now accountability is important. So if the person is being held accountable, he will do his work well. Ghana how say nipa bia o. Na nipa bia no wo I say general no o boni onitrim. But the boni na wo ye wo person we die no. Enye expensive wa obe. What I say? That's a corruption. Oko China no near ya. Singapore no corruption your whole. But they're very expensive. We are near Chongwa dia. Odo kra betwa so. Ndi we ya no yin
Yeah.
A has o ya no nimpanyini bi a be fa ho adi. What I say? Elika sa de amosi o mo yi na di na yi. Edi enti na yi na di. You must account for all that. Yes, you na di keke. See I starting here yen sa. I think say nke nema be ko na ni kakra.